So, in this video, we're going to solve for x in this equation, exponential what? Equation, right? We have that x raised to the power of x is equals to what? 3 raised to the power of x plus 243. So how can we solve this? Looking at this, is it solvable? Let's try. Now, how can we express both sides to have what? Common base. Because once we express both sides to have common base, you see that it will be very easy for us to solve for x. Now, let's start. Solution. Okay. Now, we are given that x raised to the power of x is equals what? 3 raised to the power of x plus 243. Right? Now, let us express this as what? 3 raised to the power of x, then times what? 3 raised to the power of 243. Such that when you apply the law of indices here, we can add up their powers again because they have common basis, right? Good. Now, at this point, we're going to have that x raised to the power of x is equals what? 3 raised to the power of x times what? 3 raised to the power of what? 243, right? Now, let us divide both sides by what? 3 raised to the power of x and see what we're going to have. So what we'll do that we'll have this, okay, and this will cancel this, right? Now from indices, remember that when we have a raised to the power of n all over what? B raised to the power of n. Because they have common powers, we can express this as what? A over b all raised to the power of what? Their common power. So when you know this is very easy. So, we're going to express this as what? X all over what? 3. All raised to the power of what? Their common what? R. And this is equals what? 3 raised to the power of what? 3 raised to the power of 243. So, what else can we? Because we are just trying to express both sides to have what? Common basis or common powers, right? Oh, okay. So, let us raise both sides, okay? By 1 over 3, okay, and see what we're going to have, okay? So when we do that, we have transformed this to what we call what? Powers law. And what is powers law? We can multiply all their powers, right? So x times 1 over 3 is what? X over 3. So we're going to have x over 3 all raised to the power of what? X over 3, which is equals what? 3 raised to the power of 243 multiplied by 1 over 3. So 24 divided by 3 is what? Is 8. Then 3 into 3 is 1. So we're going to have 81, right? Okay, now, what else can we do here? Okay, so we can express 81 as what? 3 times 27, right? Good. When we do that, we're going to have x over 3 all raised to the power of what? X over 3 is equals what? Now, we can express this as what? 3 raised to the power of 3, then all raised to the power of 27, such that powers law, we can multiply all this and still have this back, right? That's good. So from here, now we're going to have x over what? 3, all raised to the power of what? X all over what? 3, which is equal. Now, 3 raised to the power of 3 is what? Is 27. That means we have 27 raised to the power of what? 27. Can you compare both sides? Let me write it well. 27 raised to the power of what? 27. Now when you compare both sides, you see that the base here is x over 3. And the power is what? X over 3. Equals what? The base here is 27 and the power is 27. That means you can equate out either the powers of what? Or the base. It simply means that x over 3 is equals what? 27. Now when we cross multiply, we're going to have that x is equals 3 times what? 27. And what is value of x? 81. Very simple. So when you substitute x as what? 81 raised to the power of 81, it must be equals to what? 3 raised to the power of what? 81 plus what? 243. Oh, always what? Like, comment, subscribe, and do what? And share. Thank you.